Dr. Flavian Zija abgambira abantu ababire beteranira hakote nkuru muri Fort Portal omukoti yabona nkomujenyi mukuru abanize kurambura enyiriri z'abasirikare nukwatyo yarambura ebindi bitongore bitari mwe na bimwe birukwatanisa n'ekitongore kiramuzi
ikoti y'itano tukaba tumaliriza financial ya tukamalira n'emisango 10,282 hai eno emisango 378 ni emisanga ikaira mu system emyaka 2 no kweyongeraho.
Marriages in this area is common, is also another issue, and because of that it has always resulted into defilement.
Aporombade chairman w'entebe y'okubanza wa Boma West agambira abaramuzi okwihorwe kwaso no kucerereza emishango ekirigirireho bamwe abantu kwita stress ahiguru yo kutunga emishara mingi
ntikimanya uburyo nguzi bucyariyo kandi judiciary nisima Museveni arengera kuteka n'isente there is some light bito uburyo nguzi bucyariyo.
Omuramuzi mukuru wa Fort Portal Vincent Mugabo ashabira abantu obutatungura bwo kutwaza mporo mu kucyo mishango ecyagizire ngo nahabumbara omukegwa baramuzi ecyongire no mwijurano mu nkomyo
atandika kubaza n'abantu mu compound muno mukoro dosite za code nibo batware nyumo nibeja kubayiba
arebe tugezeho gukora kugira ngo yenugu emishango ye kukumara byangu ne marubiro mukoti arebe tugezeho gukora kugira ngo tubayambe emishango yeruke musho ecyo kubanza. We are establishing more courts across the country, take judicial services across the people, and we are doing the following. Parents are also going to establish regional circuits of the Court of Appeal.
Justice Dr. Flavian Zija agize ngo batandikiraho za kote nto haruburi shaza hamwe na haruburi district kandi nezo kujuriramu haruburi cyanga okwenda kucendeza mbaro rw'emishango no buruhe ahabaru kutabaza ejo mishango
urwo rukiko rwa Court of Appeal no kugira ngo kurikize ebimuri kugira ki bimuri kugambira jaje abagambira ngo mwaruga naza kugumaha uwatagaruka mu kibuza agire ki atigaruka mahurira
Gasha kwa Dori Nasim.